In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to a Microsoft Teams meeting. Whether you're joining a meeting for work, school, or any virtual gathering, this guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you're ready to participate with ease and confidence. First things first, you need to access the meeting link. Then typically this link is provided via email or directly through a calendar invite. So go ahead and open up your email or whichever calendar application you use. You should find an invitation that contains the Join Microsoft Teams meeting link. Once you locate it, give it a click. This link is your gateway to entering the meeting. Now, when you click the link, you'll be prompted with a couple of options for how you'd like to join the meeting. If you already have the Microsoft Teams app installed on your device, you'll likely see an option to open the Teams app. This is often the best choice as the app provides the full set of features and an optimized experience. However, if you don't have the app installed or prefer not to download anything, select the Continue on this browser option. This allows you to join directly through your web browser without any additional downloads. If you're joining as a guest, you'll need to enter your name. This is how you'll be identified during the meeting, so make sure it's clear and recognizable to the other participants. After that, take a moment to check your microphone and camera settings. It's generally a good idea to do a quick test to ensure everything is working properly, your audio is clear, and the camera captures you well. Once you're satisfied with your setup, it's time to click Join Now. And there you have it. With these few simple steps, you're now connected to your Microsoft Teams meeting, ready to engage and collaborate effectively. Remember, technology can always introduce unforeseen challenges, so it's wise to log on a couple of minutes early to troubleshoot any potential issues. But with this guide, you should be comfortably prepared to dive right into your meeting without a hitch. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials. See you in the next video, and happy meeting!